1 minute, most of the Rich marching their way back, trying to get to the wall.
That damn rope, that hurts the worst, sorry.
And there goes. Time ticking down to
1 to 10.
50 seconds.
It's better now than it was standing back there, just because now I use it. It'll get super tight.
He just finished. That was going to be an old.
If that wasn't going to do it, I don't know what will. You know what I mean?
Alright, good. Yeah, I mean, that guy, even if that guy doesn't drop out, you had both of them on the ropes.
Yeah,
so much time, this guy's still standing at the rope. Right?
I was watching him.
Yeah. Kind of destroyed.
And I think, I don't know, I was just saving it. That's why I broke his walks up.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. This guy was failing his walks right at the red here on the first bit.
The guy that hurt himself, I don't know where he went.
He left.
You broke him, dude. You broke him.
He broke it?
No, I said you broke him.
Oh, I broke him.
It was his groin. It was his groin.
Oh, really?
Lunging. I think he was like overextending and it just kind of got him.
Yeah, that was a shit show in the beginning, dude. I didn't realize I hit the tape.
Yeah.
And I was like, just let me walk.
Yeah.
Because I said upside down.
Did you know the rope was on you?
Yeah, I was like, I was even saying, like, let me walk when I was like upside down. But I didn't realize I hit the tape.
I thought you just couldn't hear him. So
No, I didn't realize I hit the tape. I'm like, just let me walk.
Leave it there.
I'll grab my rope later.
Good showing.
All right, I'll see you guys over there. I had like zero momentum. Usually, you know, when you get it like, oh, this is my kind of movement, and you can just fucking go.
I kicked that last one when you kicked up originally. I saw you like you sprint into it, and then it's like.
Oh yeah, just shoulders were just like breaking me, dude.
You were getting no rep because you were carrying your rope with you
No.
on the first
No.
one.
I didn't realize I hit the tape.
Oh, I thought it was because you had your rope on you.
No,
He's like, no.
I was telling the guy, I was yelling at him while I was walking, like, let me walk, because it was fine.
Yeah.
Thinking I'd just grab my rope when I come back or something, but he said I hit the tape line, and I didn't realize
The
that.
guy's over there just cheating. He's trying to continue.
Yeah.
Guys, let me just take my truck.
Let me take my equipment with me, it's fine.
Floor couch, traveling done. Let it happen.
Different style.
Yeah, different style.
Also, that's now 3-0 with the sunglasses.
I think I got to keep them on for tomorrow.
Just saying.
And then the lift, maybe the lift. When do they go down?